The day and month of the end of the world have been uploaded. The date will be set by the Creator. It has verification or evidence. It has also been uploaded. This is not a religion. It is a commandment. It cannot be changed because it is written. It shows that the sign that it will not be long before this happens. Set this channel. The picture is real one. If it looks like, click on it and be just. This is what it says. Seek and you will find. Ask and it will be given. Knock and it will be open. As I will give you water filled with the Spirit. The knocking, I will bring people to the door of paradise in heaven, and they will enter heaven alive. The 10 commandments that Moses brought did not say anything that could be forgiven. Christ Jesus entered the world, did not come into the world to change or break the commandments of his Father. He came into the world with the mission of letting people know that humans have soul, and because of Iglesia, that would call those people who would enter heaven alive and would reveal the true name of the Creator and His will. He will not save people. Whoever want to be saved must do the commandments. Whoever is free from sin can now walk on the sea like Christ Jesus. That is the sign or basis that the people has been forgiven of sin or is clean. The history of the life of Christ Jesus is written in the book called the Bible, from the womb of the Virgin Mary until his departure from the world. Christ Jesus lived 3 commandments. These are written in the book. Because of the recent translation of the meanings of the imprimatur in the books, there are books that say different things, and there are no more of his true commandments. The commandments is most important for the salvation of man. This commandment is number 1. No one can come to my Father who is in heaven unless he drink the water filled with the Spirit, and thus the will of my Father. Number 2, call on my Father and call on me too. Number 3, praise my Father and thanks Him. How true praise and thanksgiving will be known to you in the future. These commandments are connected to the word that are placed in nature or hidden words in time. At the time of Joseph's marriage to the Virgin Mary, the Virgin Mary said to him, "Will you marry me? I am pregnant. I don't know how many months it is because my menstrual period is abnormal." He still supported his plan. Because the Virgin Mary's belly was big, Joseph wanted to give birth there in Jerusalem. But during their journey, the Virgin Mary learned that she was felt about to give birth. So they went to the manger, and there Christ Jesus was born. The Virgin Mary gave birth as if nothing happened. Christ Jesus was born without a womb. The surroundings were illuminated by a star. Joseph believed that Christ Jesus has came from heaven. When the 6 days arrived, 3 angels visited them, each of them carrying something that was given to the Virgin Mary. First, Omega Alpha was explained to her. The second was the calendar. It was explained that it had a sign on the day of the soul, because man has a soul for the people who have passed away. They told her to mark her birth and said that when all the pages are finished, it would be 1 year, and start again with the second. They told them to leave the next day. The countdown begins in January. Its name is the month. The third was Bismillah. She was told that this is the key to knowing the true name of Creator, and as well the beginning and the end of the world, how it will happen, who will enter heaven alive, and how many of them will there be. And she was told that when your son turned 28 years old, give him everything you brought him. In the month of February 28, the people at the manger saw that Joseph had tools for the trade, so they took to him and told him to stay with her wife in their place, because they were going to build a fishing boat. They went with them to the seashore or beach. When the time came to give the angel gift to the son, they did not see Christ Jesus. The next day they meet, so the Virgin Mary did was put on the 29th of February, and that's when Christ Jesus attained to preach about heaven. He had a close friend since childhood. They were always together. This is Judas. As they walked along the seashore, they saw 11 fishermen who were sad because they had not caught even a small fish. Jesus Christ appeared in his power, and they believed, and they became disciples of Christ Jesus. 12 of them were with Judas. There is in the temple, there is what is called sanctuary for removal of human sins. Many brought animals because the human sins would be transferred to the animal after it was born. In John the Baptist's place, when someone brought an animal to the temple on their way home, John the Baptist told them not to believe that human sins could be transferred to animals. That was lie. To prove it, I have two tests or ritual called looting and sinking. This is the sign that the person is no longer guilty, and because there is one Christ Jesus involved, he called it the beginning. From that place, heard the loud voice or words on his father, who said, "Follow or obey what he said." This is the reason that no one brought animals to the sanctuary, because the people believed in what John the Baptist was doing. In the ear of the Jews, because he was the reason John the Baptist was arrested and beheaded. Years passed, Christ Jesus preaching and healing people. One day, when the Jews gathered in the temple, Christ Jesus went, not to pray, but to see that in 3 days this temple would be destroyed. What he said happened. No one knew how it happened, and they blamed Christ Jesus for what happened. At that time, Christ Jesus told his disciples that the end had come. I'm going to my Father in heaven. And he said that I will choose who will be your leader. And he said that I will make our Last Supper. And he said, tomorrow we will go to the neighboring mountains. The next day, he said, bring a stone each When they arrived at the place, he made bread from the stone. They brought and he said, "Tomorrow we will return here." When they returned, he said, "Whoever can go the farthest and cross the stone will be your leader. All those who can cross the stone will be the only ones who can preach. Those who cannot cross the stone will be the ones who will help with the work. The last one will be the first to stand up and leave. Peter will be the farthest away, and Judas will be the last." When they returned home, Christ Jesus immediately called Peter and gave him two things, the Bismin law and the calendar, and he told him to mark the calendar with the day of his death and have it copied by all his companions. They already know this because Christ Jesus had taught them before. This Bismin law is the key to unlocking my Father's throne and his will. The one who will open is a person, he is the Ecclesia. I will teach you where it came from, and I will be with you tomorrow. Do not show it to your fellow disciples. Look for your lineage that you can trust. If one of you is lost, he will look for one like you. And did it, and he said that tomorrow I will do our last supper. Tonight we will sleep together. At dawn, Christ Jesus woke Peter up and said, "We are going to the Far East." This is Mindanao, Philippines. When they arrived at the place, Peter asked what place this is. Christ Jesus answered, "This is the Queen of the East." And he said that on this stone the Iglesia will stand. This was the promise of Mindanao, and someone stood there on the stone, and I am that I am the Iglesia that Christ Jesus says, "I will do the commandments and teach the commandments of Christ Jesus and his Father." On their last supper, Judas thought of kissing his friend before they separated. In the middle of their dinner, Christ Jesus stood up and put on the clothes that the angels gave him. The companion asked, "What is that, teacher?" He replied, "It is the first and the last, or Omega Alpha." Then he performed a ritual that he gave to his disciple. When they near finished eating, Christ Jesus said to Judas, "Give up, because the one who will come after me is coming." Judas forgot to kiss his friend. Judas left sadly. The arrest of Christ Jesus took place in the Garden of Gethsemane, and he was taken to the kingdom or palace, and there he was tortured badly, and he suffered more than the criminal's punishment. On the morning of the day of Friday, the palace announced that there were 3 people to be crucified, and the people quickly gathered palm leaves to make umbrella or shelter from the heat. On their way home, they saw that the journey to Mount Calvary had begun. When they arrived at the place, they immediately stripped Christ Jesus of his clothes and crucified him naked, because Saul or Paul had ordered that to take and bring him the clothes of Christ Jesus. When Saul received the clothes, suddenly there was a strong earthquake, accompanied by loud thunder and heavy rain. Saul or Paul trembled with fear, and he promised that when it stopped, he would spread the story of Christ Jesus and suddenly calm down. On Sunday, Christ Jesus appeared to his disciple. He said, I appeared to you to prove that I will rise again and can say goodbye to you all, and said, peace be with you all. They asked, Teacher, when will you return? Christ Jesus replied, when they called a slowly gone, and he left. Saul asked the 11 disciples, and he wrote down what their queen had written before. He added which their tribes had brought him. He added words so that he could eat and live while he preached. This is the beginning of the Bible, which is now spreading all over the world. This video has a cure because 70% of hidden words of time are opened here so that you can avoid the cure. Share it with others people because the punishment here is heavy. The cure will stop when I face the people, and I will open the 30% that is most important for human salvation. These are the words that are placed in the nature. If anyone can help me with my personal appearance to people who has connection to the politician or government official, this is my contact number on my cell phone, 0953-002-3408. Text me, introduce yourself, where you text, and what do you need. I am hoping to someone who will help me with my appearance to people. Thank you and mabuhay.